called the Lego Hour.
Hey!
Lego Weekly, yeah.
We got a video spotlight
We
for
do.
you guys.
I like this.
So we
you
had
were talking this one up.
That's true.
we had Mike's really good hip hop Twitch purple ticket video, and because I wanted to kind of keep the theme going, we had this other guy, Dinotti, who submitted a great video, and there is some adult language in it, just to let you guys know. So if you have children around, please mute
turn
it.
it off.
I feel like actually the video itself is a really solid Capitrol.
It is.
overall.
It's really
Imagine
good.
You'll see
Kappa
why.
after everything he says.
But this guy is high energy, really funny. I'll let the video speak for itself.
Let's do it.
Thank you for the follow. Stream shall begin. Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a. Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a. Okay, we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna have it fun. If you don't like it, better take your bags and run. We're gonna play one game. We're gonna feel no shame. We're gonna make it big and get the fucking world of fame. PC, PlayStation, and Nintendo machines. We gotta turn them on. Let everybody know that bad weather doesn't matter as long as we are all together. Time fly, people cry. Dinotti Twitch is not gonna die. What's up? Hit me up. Can do and give it up. Thank you very much for being here. Can't believe, gotta pinch my ear. If you wanna say something, use the chat. Don't be afraid, I'm using the pad. Haters gonna hate and not believe that you, my friends, are not gonna live. Yo, people, this my Twitch. Hit the follow, don't bitch. Yo, people, this my Twitch. Hit the follow, don't bitch. Yo, people, this my Twitch. Hit the follow, don't be a. Yo, people, this my Twitch. Thank you for the follow.
My Twitch. Yo, people, this.
Oh, sorry, I was getting into it.
That beat is
I love
great.
it.
I
Isn't
really
that
like
great?
that beat.
I love
Very
it.
adamant, but
I
if you
love
don't
it.
follow
I'll tell
him-
you what. I'll tell you what. There's different types of Twitch videos we
Definitely
get,
a
right?
range.
And there is one specific type where you watch it and maybe it doesn't tell you a whole lot about the channel, but damn it, am I interested in going and checking them out, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, can we just go to his channel really fast to
see
see if he's
live?
streaming? Let's give him a Twitch raid
All right.
because he's amazing.
Can we?
Do we know if
He
it's
Okay.
he broadcasts in English, but he's from the Balkans, and he just has a fun, good old
Yes,
time.
he's
live.
live.
He is live. He's got
Guys,
4.
watching Twitch Weekly.
Donati, we love you.
Twitch
Your
section.
video's awesome,
Use
dude.
the bomb. Use the raid. Use the Twitch raid.
Yeah, we gotta start raiding.
Use the raid emote.
Yes,
That's Twitch, capital R aid.
dude. Donati's the man.
Yeah.
I want to
Everyone,
play.
everyone, please go give him a follow. Check him out. He's hilarious, and that rap was amazing.
I want
that
to
was
play.
So please, look at the follows starting
Look at
up.
that.
Everyone get over there,
Oh,
show
look,
some Twitch love, spam Bleed Purple and Twitch Raid in his chat, and give him a watch.
Play Freaky Pinky's video, the sweet one with the the Minecraft. The way,
And then it goes to Donati.
You're a bitch. Follow on Twitch.
There they are. Awesome.
Beauty.
That was great. Love
Beauty.
it. Love it. Thank you. I really appreciate that video submission, and keep them coming in.
News from
We love it.
Arcadia Bay.